Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I want to share some designs with you. These are TrollBeads designs, and all these designs that I'm sharing today, I created them using the Care and Attention Garden Kit. This is the faceted glass kit that came out with the Nurtured Connections collection, and I really love all the beads in this kit, and so I came up with a few designs. On this one, for example, I have one of the beads, I have another bead from that kit on this design, and so I did create a few different designs using beads from this collection. I think there are 6 glass beads that are part of this kit. So let's start with this one over here. This is a foxtail design, and this particular glass bead over here is part of the Care and Attention Garden Kit, and this bead is called Basket of Hope. And so let's go ahead and start with the clasp here. So the clasp that I'm using is this one, and this one is the Spiritual Butterfly clasp, and it's so beautiful. It does have a gemstone in it on 2 sides. The gemstone is this one, and this is the Prehnite and Tourmalated Quartz in here. It's a pretty light green color with some black strands in there. I know it's hard to see because the color is so light, but I hope you can see that. And then it has some butterflies on it on both sides, and it's just a very pretty lock. The next bead I have on here is this one, and this is a Ladybug Unique. It has a green base with green ladybugs with some blue, yellow, and burgundy detailing. Next, I have this glittery bead. This one is called Shimmer Bubble Joy. Next to that, I have the silver, and this is the Guardian of Nature, and it has a few different faces of the Guardian of Nature on here, and it's really cute. Look at that. Next to that is the Basket of Hope, which is part of the Care and Attention Garden Kit. It has a black base, and then it has these checkered lines of green on it, and it is such a beautiful bead. Next to that, I have this little silver, and this is the silver that was part of the Fortune Keepers bracelet set, the starter set. So it has these 4-leaf clovers connected together to form the silver. Next to that, I have this beautiful unique bead, and this is such a beautiful unique. It has a shimmery base that you can see that glitter in there, and then on top you have these 4-petal flowers and some leaves and a stem that the flowers and the leaves are on. It is a beautiful, beautiful unique. I was able to get it last year at an event. I have another one of the 4-leaf clover silvers from the Fortune Keepers bracelet set, and then this is the birthday bead from last year, so 2023. It has a black base, and then it has these different greens on the petals on it. Next to that, I have the Lovebirds silver bead, and I have another of the Shimmer Bubble Joy. And then the last bead I have on here is this Dragonfly bead. This is called Dragonfly in Garden. So again, a light green base, and on top you have this dragonflies with black bodies and darker green wings. So here is the first design that I created with the Care and Attention Garden Kit with the Basket of Hope, and this is primarily green with hints of shimmer and black in there, and I really love how this one turned out. Next, let's look at this bangle design, and this is on the heart bangle, and this over here is the bead from the Care and Attention Garden Kit, and this one is called Drops of Attention. It has a beautiful peachy base, and then on top you have these circles that are kind of purplish blue, I want to say. They're outlined in black, and then you have these horizontal lines of glitter running through the bead. It is very, very beautiful, and I believe this is very popular because I see a lot of other collectors designing with this particular bead. So it is very, very beautiful. Next, I have this framed by Ivy silver bead, and inside the framed by Ivy, I have this gemstone, and this is the feldspar moonstone, which is this beautiful peachy color with some shimmer in it. I hope you can see the shimmer, and the color of this moonstone matches so perfectly with the base color on the drops of attention bead. And then next to that, I have this one. This is called Sun and Soil. It came out a couple of years ago. It's a faceted glass bead. It has that peachy pink base with these waves of different grays on there, and then again horizontal lines of glitter on it. And I just feel that these three beads look beautiful together. The colorations match so perfectly, and they just look really, really beautiful together. So this is my second design. This third design, the centerpiece on here, is part of the Care and Attention Garden Kit, and this one is over here, and this is called Sunshine Vitality. It's a beautiful bead, so many colors in it, so much glitter. It has these different shades of pink and blue and yellow on there, and then you have these thicker lines of horizontal glitter on it. It is very, very pretty. And then next to that, I have these two silvers. On here, I have the Sunshine bead, which is the Father's Day bead for 2024. It has the sun on one side. My camera's having trouble focusing, so let me see if I can get it to focus over there. So that is the Sunshine bead, the sun on one side, clouds at the back. Next to that, I have the Together Apart bead. This came out in 2020. This was a limited edition bead. It has a rainbow at the base, and then on top of the bead, you have these clouds. It's a beautiful bead, so much meaning to this. On the other side of Sunshine Vitality, I have the Van Gogh Sunflowers. I recently added this to my collection. And then next to that, I have the Shade of Sparkle bead in Rainbow, and this one was a surprise collection a few years ago. TrollBeads released a few different sparkle beads, and this one was my first pick because again it has like a rainbow for the base, and then you have these CZs, and it's beautiful. And I really love again how these beads pair together. I think they look beautiful together. And then this design is so, sunshiny and so happy. And so I really love this. Another design is this, again, a bangle design, and this is the star bangle again. And on here, the centerpiece again is from the Care and Attention Garden Kit, and this one is called Current of Life. And this is beautiful. Again, it has a glitter base. You can see golden glitter peeking through, and on top you have these waves of light blue and green and black and some royal blue and yellow as well. It's a very, very sunshiny bead again, very bright and happy and colorful. On this side, I have the Framed by Nature. I love these framed by beads, and they're just such an easy design element, and I just love them. And this one is again a recent addition to my collection. Inside the Framed by Nature, I have the faceted green onyx. The other side of the Current of Life, I have this little silver. This is called Fresh Beginnings. It has these leaves and buds that make up the bead. And next to that, I have one of the butterfly beads from last year, and this is called Wings of Success. It has these different shades of green and then some black and white. And I love how these look together as well, especially the Wings of Success and the Current of Life have such similar colors on it, the similar greens and yellows and the black. They're just perfect together. So that is my third design, and then I have one more design to share with all of you, and it is this design. This is again on a foxtail, and this uses two of the beads from the Care and Attention Garden Kit. So let's start on one end and look at all the beads. The clasp I have on here is the troll tree lock. It's such a whimsical lock. It's beautiful and I really love this one. It looks like a wood end or a tree troll and it's just very pretty. I love the texture on it. Looks like a tree bark or a tree trunk, and then the face on it. Next to that, I have this knot bead, and this is the courage knot. Next to that, I have this glass bead. This is called ginseng root, and this is so beautiful. It has this grayish purplish base with these I want to say petals or splotches of off-white and brown, and on top you have these branches in the same coloration. It is very pretty. It's very sophisticated looking for some reason. That's what I feel. This is the bead from the Care and Attention Garden Kit, and this one is called Basket of Serenity. It has a black base, and on top you have these, again, this checkered design with purple and light blue. Then next to that, I have this silver bead. This is called the unicorn bead, and I absolutely love this bead, but I just don't reach for this enough, so I'm trying to make a conscious effort to use it more because it is so pretty and so whimsical and I really love it. You can see that the body of the unicorn wraps around to form this bead, and its face, you can see it's so beautiful. I love the horn and how it connects the bead together. Next to that, I have this beautiful faceted unique that I was able to buy last year. It has a very light pinky purple base, and then on top you have these waves of slightly darker purple, some green, some black, and then some glitter. Next to that, I have this one. This is again from the Care and Attention Garden Kit, and this is called Drops of Kindness. And this has this slightly yellowy base, and on top you have these circles which have some greens and blues and white and darker brown, and they are outlined in black. Next, I have this faceted unique. Again, I bought this last year, and it has this feathery detail to it with a black base, and what the feather detail is different shades of purple and black in there. And this one is called, I don't think it has a name. This was the very first TrollBeads Day bead. So from 2014 is when they started doing TrollBeads Day beads. And it is just three troll faces that are connected together to form the bead. Next to that, I have this faceted glass bead, and this one is called Rationality. It has a black base, and then you have these horizontal lines of white and green and blue with some glitter. And then this glass bead is called Willow. Again, a very sophisticated bead, very, not attention seeking, I would say, is this one. And it has this beigey khaki colored base with these lines with some darker browns, and it's just very pretty. And then the last bead I have on here is this one, and this is the Lucky Knot bead. So that is the last design that I wanted to share with all of you. I am absolutely enjoying the Care and Attention Garden Kit. I feel that it works with a lot of beads in my collection, and now that I've shared these with you, I'm going to take these apart and create some more designs. I do share my designs daily with across the different brands that I collect on Instagram, and I will have my Instagram linked in the description box if you want to follow me there. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite design out of all the ones that I shared today. If you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.